Welcome to Dalfin. In this video, we'll guide you through configuring the JSON Contract Event in Dalfin's workflow. To begin, drag a UI trigger into the workflow and provide a meaningful title and description. Then, select the required method, menu, and window, and click Save. Next, add the external API event from the third-party integration events section. Give it a title and description, then enter the external API URL to fetch data. Once added, you will see the response body displaying the retrieved data. To extract specific information, drag and drop the JMES Data Extraction event from the Data Processing and ETL Events section. Provide a title and description, then configure the settings block to either use static data or carry data from other nodes. Choose the previous node's response, enter the JMES query path, and extract the required data. Next, add JSON Contract Event from the Data Processing and ETL Events section. Assign it a relevant title and description. In the settings block, configure the input JSON by selecting Data Carry from the drop-down menu. Click Choose to link the data carry from the preceding node, ensuring seamless data flow. In the JSON Schema section, define a schema to validate the API response. This step ensures that the incoming data structure adheres to predefined rules, maintaining data integrity. After completing all necessary configurations, publish the workflow and navigate to the respective window. Execute the workflow to validate the data successfully. This setup guarantees robust schema validation for the provided JSON data, enhancing workflow reliability and consistency.